Hello, my name is Gary Gibb, and I'm going to talk to you today about conditional color, or the use of color rules. To illustrate that, let me talk to you first about the problem. This is an example where I've created several cards all off the same data set, and in this case, technology happens to be shown in a green color. Right next to it, technology is shown in a different color. Then again, in the third card here, you can see the technology is again in a different color from the original green. So what we want to show you is how you can make color your friend and make it work better for you inside of your chart building. So I'm going to go in here into the analyzer and I'm going to click on color rules. Inside of color rules, it automatically selects the column that's being charted, so product category. And here I click and say, okay, I want to say every time I see technology, I want to fill it with, let's say, this light purple color. So that it's consistent everywhere. I'm going to make it purple so that it shows up easily. And it says, do you want to apply it to only this card, or do you want to apply it to all cards that are built from this data set? In this case, I'm going to say apply it to all the cards. So sure enough, you can see here that my technology is highlighted in this light purple color. Now when I save and close, I'm going to save it. And sure enough, out here on the details page, it still shows up in purple. But when I go back to the page, everywhere that this is referenced, the technology and profit by category and technology and sales by category is in the same color. It applies to every card that's built off of that same data set. So you can see additional cards that I've built using the same data set, even down to tables where technology is referenced. It's highlighted in this purple color that I specified. Super useful, makes it easy for you to tell a better story, better business story by using color. Let me tell you another aspect of color rules by going in here, and now I've got just profits over a period of time. And what I want to do this time, instead of going by product category, I'm going to go by the values inside of the profit. And what I want to do is every time that this is, let's say that it's greater than or equal to 0, I want to make this a green because I'm doing well, and so I'm going to highlight it in green. Then I'm going to add another rule where the profit, if it is less than 0, then what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to highlight it in a red because I want to call attention and say, hey, we're losing money here. So this time when I click Next, it says, do I want to apply it to only this card or to all cards? In this case, I want to apply it to just this card, so I click that. And sure enough, when I come out, all of these values are now highlighted in red that are below 0, and all those values above 0 are highlighted in green. You can use powerful combinations of rules to create just the look that you want using conditional color or color rules. Thanks.